I'm gonna normally start my video like this. Normally your music I play right here. So but this really get me upset and it really struck a nerve. It even bring me back to Kayla Downey, like really.
Me and I went there at the house and him father come in and wake me up. And I get up, slung up in the bed and I look too tired. Then I go bathroom, go use the bathroom. When I come back now from the bathroom, so like the front door open, I get up and I go lock the front door. And like me I go back on, I pass Shelly in the room and I look on the bed. Then I go in the room and say, Shelly, where's Shelly in there? Instead of no Shelly in that on the bed, I turn back and I turn on for Shelly in the room light. I see Shelly in that on the bed. And I say, but Shelly in the house, so Shelly and I will start call Shelly and I will not get no answer. We'll go fake key and go pull back the grill and we'll go out, go next door, we call one girl named Lottie. Mr. Lottie, you know, I say, come like then come take with Shelly and call Shelly in the house and I must say, if tap tell lie. Same time now when me and Shelly go back, come from outside and go back in the house, we glimpse the kitchen door wide open. When we go down there, be a blood slip on the kitchen door. And we start search the house and start ball. And we walk around the house and in the bush, we don't see her. We go back in and say, Shelly, and only one part we don't search. Come go search the other part of the house because it's a big 5-bedroom house. And only 2 rooms we live in and the kitchen we use. And when we go in the other part, as we couldn't move the curtain to enter over the next part, we see she lie down on the ground with her face down and the whole her stab up and blood up. We 5 stab the police, them say she having her back, plus the neck and the inside and have her no clothes. I look where I look for your clothes, we can't find no machete on the kitchen counter, we can't find it. When you look outside of the door, a big blood, the out on the door like how they kill him and wipe off their hand on the door.
So how...
Why Shelly was so nice, Shelly friendly, Shelly not trouble people. Anywhere me I go make sure I have Shelly back on me. Me no left far, nowhere where me I go, me no left far. Me I go to my yard, me have her back on me. Me no left him go nowhere at all, me no let Shelly go. Go down to the road, me I go and shot, make sure Shelly the back on me. Me no left far. And when me find Shelly last night, see what Shelly then do Shelly, I can't believe.
You said she had a mental issue. Could you tell me?
She have a mental issue, but she friendly. Because if you went there, so I tell her, say, take picture and have a be a pose, him put on and then something there. She nice. Me bathe her, wash her hair, wash her clothes. Me see, say she go good, I was say, me carry go doctor and everything. And so then kill her.
How you coping?
Oh, I'm coping, I'm trying to be good, but I can't go manage it.
And you have no idea what could have...
I have no idea what happened because I'm alone when in the house. Even my 2 phone then can't take up off my bed and say that I don't hear nothing, I don't see nothing, I don't feel nothing. Even police them say come like a powder, then powder the house to make me go sleep. Because Shelly as a girl, as I say, come and lick her, hold him. If he don't know you, and he's like you're out to do him something, he must squeal out. He must squeal and he squeal loud and ball out loud, and have to do him nothing.
Alright, so you don't hear anything from the police as yet?
Then so then we call Sheldon.
Sheldon is the father?
Yeah.
Okay, where is he now?
Gonna work.
Well, my granddaughter is a loving granddaughter to me, even though she cannot talk. But more time when come look for her, Dada, you come? And talk, rub down her chest and near my face. Love him more, me love him, Daddy. Yeah. When me hear this man say then kill him, boy, I don't know me reach up here.
Tell me about the last, when was the last time you saw her?
The last time I saw her last month. Because she not go up here? Yeah, last month, the last time I saw her. I was in the call, I was put him on the phone and he make kill it talk them, you understand? He can't talk, you ring him say, Dada. But then, this young man, oh God, I don't know what it is.